And YouTube friends, welcome back. We're just going to do a little follow-up video on this Beretta APX I recently picked up. Now, I am admittedly late to the game on them, but I'm pretty impressed with this pistol. And I just got my two frames in. And what's interesting about this, you'll notice that the Wolf Gray frame has the finger grooves, which are literally the best fitting finger grooves I have experienced. So I'm not really sure which one I'm going to go to. And the green frame is a newer frame from what I could tell with no finger grooves. I was excited to get this because normally they don't fit me whatsoever, but I'm kind of on the fence about which one feels better. This is a good feeling grip, but I don't know. I think I'm going to switch to this gray one because that just feels good. When I picked up the gun and it had the black grips, I right away bought it because of the way it felt in my hand. So these change it just a tad. I don't mind them. I think probably the best thing to do is get to the range and see which one shoots better. But I think those finger grips, for some reason, get me higher up on that beaver tail. They tend to. Maybe I'll play around with the back straps first. But I just wanted to show you these no finger groove grips and frame module that is available from Beretta. All right, what color do we like any better? What color do we like any better? I'm not gonna edit that out. What color do you guys like better anyway? How's that? All right, thanks again for watching.